I'm going to talk about Reimagine in Google Photos. That's a photo I got from the public space today, and I thought it would be nice if we grab some of the decorations that are around you, around us, and transform them for our social media, for other purposes. So if you go to Google Photos, you can change the size very easily here. Sorry. And like if you need for Instagram, you can easily reshape, and then you can reimagine these flowers by something else. I prompted it for Christmas, and here we are. It's a nice decoration for Christmas. I got to Google Slides and removed the background, so this I can use in my anything I produce, create content online, like kind of logo if I wish, or for many other beautifying content online things, because you never know where you grab the most beautiful photo, and you can replace and move. There are many options in Google Photos. I just wanted to show you click the image and you go to Reimagine.